Hello everyone. Today we are diving into an exciting topic, common table expressions, or known as CTEs in Microsoft SQL Server. CTEs are powerful tools that can greatly simplify your queries and enhance your data handling. There are numerous ways to leverage CTEs, but for today's session, we'll be focusing on straightforward example and to illustrate. I have SQL Server Management Studio open, and we see the sales schema diagram that comes with Microsoft sample database called AdventureWorks. Today, I want to demonstrate 3 different methods for joining 2 tables and displaying the resulting data. I have picked 2 tables, sales order header and sales territory, as you see over here and there. There are 10 different ways to join 2 tables in SQL Server, focusing on query techniques such as subqueries and other approaches rather than the traditional inner or outer joins. But for today's session, we are going to look at a simple, quick, basic join, subquery or inner query, and of course, CTE. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pick our tables. We have sales order header. I'd like to give it an alias of OH. And we're going to do a regular join, which is the same as inner join. Of course, I'm preaching to the choir. And we're going to add the territory, and I'm going to give it an alias of letter T. And we're going to start with this select from, of course, beneath the columns. Let's see, what would I like to see? I'd like to see the name of the territory, order date. I want to see sales order number. I want to see a purchase order number and perhaps subtotal. So we got 5 columns, right? Now, all we need to do here is to add a very important part of that is on. It's going to be a OH territory ID equal to territory ID. One is the primary key and the other one is the foreign key, right? So we run this, we get quite a bit of records. You see down there, it's got 31,465 rows. That's quite a bit. I would like to shorten that a little bit by giving it the variable for a predicate or the where clause. And I'm going to say something like, if the name is equal to, I haven't even declared it yet, territory. So, okay, so we're going to go ahead and declare this on the top. I'm going to say this is a varchar, and I don't know, 32 is good enough for United Kingdom. Maybe 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yes. Oh, maybe not. All right, so you see we got 3,200 records, quite a bit of a difference. So I went ahead and cheated a little bit for the next section or the next type of query, and I have it prepared in advance because we all know how to do that, right? What we want to really go through is the CTE. So here we go. Now, this is the same thing, and we got the territory, and we should get the same number of records, 3,219. I love it when I say I should, right? All right, 3,219, and we have 3,219. Now, the fun part begins with this. I'm going to take a copy of the same statement. Maybe I should zoom out or bring this one down so we can see better, right? And you will see how simply we can convert this into a CTE statement. All CTEs begin with a with statement, no matter what. And I'm just going to use the T because we used the T for the subquery earlier. And starts with an open paren and a close paren. So what goes in there, let's say in this particular example, I'm going to go ahead and cut this from here and place it there, right? It looks innocent yet? Yes. We have these extra stuff in here we don't need. We're going to take them out. Now the T is this subquery. It's the alias of this CTE. As simple as it can get. Now I'm going to go ahead and run it. Look at that. Now we have 3219, 3219, and 3219. So you see the statement is fairly simple. The nice thing about this is that you can have multiple CTEs in one large statement. You can have 5, 6, 10, 15, 20. Obviously, you have to watch out for the performance, monitor the performance. That goes with any kind of queries. You don't want to go wild on it, right? So anyway, so this is a simple CTE example. I'll be showing some more complex CTEs in upcoming videos, and if you join us in the near future, that would be great. And if you like what you learned today, please subscribe. Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon.